Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let me ask you a simple question. If I call you tonight and ask, how was your day? Can you answer for one full minute in English? Most students say, my day was good, and then silence. But today, that's going to change. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your entire day from the moment you wake up until you go to bed. And the best part is, you don't need difficult vocabulary, you just need a few simple sentences. So let's begin. The secret formula. To describe your day, remember these five parts: morning, school or work, afternoon, evening, night. If you talk about these five parts, you can easily speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Part 1. Morning. Think about your morning. Ask yourself, what time did I wake up? What did I do after waking up? Did I exercise? What did I eat for breakfast? Like, I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning, I brushed my teeth and got ready for the day. Then I had breakfast with my family. See, so easy it is. Part 2. Either school or work. Now talk about your school or work. Did you attend classes? Did you meet your friends? Did you learn something new? Here's a simple answer. After breakfast, I went to school, I attended my classes and met my friends. Today, I learned a new chapter in English. Part 3. Afternoon. What happened after lunch? In the afternoon, I completed my homework and spent some time reading a book. See, nothing difficult, just tell your story. Part 4. Evening. Ask questions yourself like, did you play? Did you go for a walk? Did you spend time with your family? And the answer, in the evening, I played badminton with my friends and then had tea with my family. Part 5. Night. What did you do before sleeping? At night, I had dinner, watched a short video, and prepared for the next day. Then I went to bed at 10 o'clock. Now put everything together and listen carefully, okay? Here's a sample answer for you how to describe your day. Today was a good day. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning and got ready for school. After breakfast, I went to school and attended my classes. In the afternoon, I completed my homework and relaxed for some time. In the evening, I played cricket with my friends. At night, I had dinner with my family and went to bed at 10 o'clock. That's it. You just spoke for almost 1 minute. Amazing, no? Upgrade your English. Instead of saying my day was good, try this. I had a wonderful day. It was a busy day, or you can say it was an exciting day. I had a productive day. It was a tiring but enjoyable day. The story challenge. Imagine two friends talking. Rahul, hey, how was your day? Aman, it was really busy. Rahul, what did you do? Aman, I went to school, completed my homework, and played cricket in the evening. Rahul, sounds like a great day. See, this is real English. Simple, natural, useful. Now, here's some vocabulary for you to describe your day: busy, wonderful, productive, exciting, relaxing, tiring, memorable, fun. Try using these words today. The 1 minute speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Speak about your day for one full minute. Use this formula: morning, either school or work, afternoon, evening, night. Don't stop, Don't worry about mistakes, just speak. Pause the video and try. Every day gives you a new story, and every story is an opportunity to practice English. You don't need special topics, you don't need big words. Your daily life is enough. The more you talk about your day, the more natural your English becomes. Tonight, before sleeping, record yourself answering this question, and this is your homework challenge for you. How was your day? Try to speak for 30 seconds, then tomorrow, speak for 1 minute, then next week, speak for 2 minutes. That's how confidence grows. Remember this, fluent speakers don't always talk about big ideas. Sometimes they simply talk about their day. So, from today, make it a habit. At the end of every evening, ask yourself, how was my day? And answer it in English, because 1 minute of speaking every day can change your English forever. I will see you tomorrow in day 27 of our 30 days spoken English challenge. Until then, live your day, describe your day, and keep speaking English. Thank you for listening.